Good, y'all. Just got my tires changed on my truck, man, and I'm not so pleased, man. I'm happy how it drives, but I'm gonna explain in a second what I'm talking about. Let me show you.
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
My old tires, obviously. These are the brand new joints right there. Brand new ones by Lionhart. Right, by Lionhart. So let me explain. And so, I bought these brand new tires from Lionhart. They are highway terrain tires, 255 60 17, and I'm gonna pull it out, make sure I'm safe before I drive. So 255 70 16, 109T is the exact range or whatever of tire that I'm getting, well, that I've got. And this is my first set of two brand new ones on this particular truck. And like, look, right now, it's driving, but you hear it's heavy tires. That's my one issue with it. It's heavy tires. And that's pretty much it, right? Got kind of dark on this side right here. All right, so heavy tires, and that's something that I'm not liking right now. Every bump you hit, the turns, the steering wheel feels heavy. My other tires, I don't think they were 109T. They definitely the same size though, different company. I'm not sure, but it's pretty cool because now I get to distinguish my next set of tires is not going to be this brand. And I was disappointed with how heavy they are, and I'm satisfied with how they drive. I'm pretty sure on the highway it's smooth, but honestly, I'm pretty sure that every tire is smooth on the highway. So what I'm gonna do is get two brand new ones again, and throw the ones that I just bought in the back. But Lionheart, I am not buying those again. So one time, you got one time to fail with me, and that's it. So, and that was the cheapest set of tires for the price. Well, for two, cheapest set for two. I paid $186. Not satisfied. Ever since, like I said, it's very smooth, but the car, as I'm driving, I feel like even the car is struggling, and that could be just because I need an oil change in that. But you see how smooth it is. It is real smooth. I'm not gonna lie. But the tires are very. They're brand new. That's what you expect from brand new tires. But when you spend $200 on some tires, you expect it to be better. So, right, and then I'll put them on. So 255 70, and then actually this one is 235, and they told me that if I wanted speed to go with the smaller tire, you see it's a bigger tire. So I don't know. Get two more, the same exact size, but from a different company, and hopefully when I put these Lionheart ones in the back, the next two will be in the front. I'll feel the difference. So I was just flying with it. It was feeling real good, but damn, New York City traffic. I was flying on the block to get stopped. Shit. Give me a second. All right, so listen, y'all. Listen. There's bumps. At a certain point before, I used to never really hear these bumps. I'm telling you, these particular tires are heavy. Right here, look. You don't hear nothing. When you hit a bump, that's what you're gonna hear. Right? No bumps. Smooth. All right, and that's the problem. Heavy tires. Now look at this terrain. Messed up roads. It's getting even louder. If it's on a straight path, like I'm gonna weave it. Let's see if I can weave it. See, you don't really hear it a lot. They're good tires, man. They go straight for sure. But I don't know about the bumps. See, they're heavy. I never used to hear this much noise, but like I said, I'm gonna buy 2 new ones for the front again, and throw these 2 in the back. And let's see, heavy.